Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Ovalrcteam. Today we're going to unbox another boat. It's the Horizon Hobby. It's the Pro Boat, 23-inch river jet boat. For our test today, I'll be using the Spectrum 3S 11.1 volt, 5,000 milliamp 50C battery. All right, let's get the boat out of the box. So we'll cut right here and up top here. Pretty cool. If you look underneath, you can see the water pickup. It's got like a grate right at the back of the boat. The design of the boat, the very back, you can see the jet system. You got 4 thumb screws. Undo those. Now you guys can take a look down inside there and see how I had the battery strapped in and the plugs right here. That's all connected. You'll see the light on the receiver. If you look right underneath this corner here, you'll see the on-off button. That's where you turn the boat on after you already turned on the transmitter. All right, we got the thumb screws all tightened down. We're ready to give it a test. All right, my driver, never driven an RC boat. It's been a while probably since he drove an RC car. We're running at 50% full throttle. I did find out if you get out of the throttle, that thing will just go straight and you'll have no steering. But it's pretty tough. I put it on the rocks over there. We're in the back of somebody's property here in a little creek. Pretty small area to run it in, but at 50% throttle, it's actually a lot of fun. Handle's really good. As long as you're on the throttle, that thing steers really good. You can see the water coming out of the side of the boat. That's the cooling system for the motor. We already beat it up pretty good. We already broke the roll bar. It's not very durable, but I did put it in the rocks over there on the side, and I thought I broke the hole. I mean, I hit hard, but no, this thing's pretty tough. We turned the throttle rate up to 75%. Before you had to hold it wide open to steer it. Now he's got a little bit more throttle in this small area back here. Makes it really challenging to steer, but a lot of fun. We drove it around at 100%. It's pretty wild. This is just at 75% right now. All right, you think you can jump this sliding board right here?
We'll give it a try.
You're gonna creep up to it and hammer it. Nope. Uh-oh. Oh, the roll bar is in the water. All right, well, we got about 20 minutes run time out of it and knocked the roll cage off, so that's not very durable, but the boat itself is really durable. We learned how to self-right it just by going back and forth on the trigger, but you'll need to have that on 100% to do that. We found out that having that switch over to 50 or 75 is not enough to get it to right back over. And yeah, so far so good. We'll charge up the battery again and we'll test it wide open. And with the cover off, you guys can see the rubber seal underneath that. That keeps most of the moisture out of the boat. There is some water down in there. We flipped it over a couple times. It was laying upside down. The righting feature does work really good. Just forward and reverse till it goes right back over. You do need to do that at 100%. So if you're running 50 or 75, flip it over to 100% on the top of the transmitter, and you'll be able to get the boat right back up again. You can see we knocked off the roll cage. That didn't hold up very well, and we got the battery charged back up and ready to test it out some more. Mark's running the boat at 50% right now. Anything any faster, just a little too fast. We're in this small creek, skimming right above the top of the rocks here. Looks pretty cool. It's almost like crawling with a truck. When you have that all the way cranked up at 100%, it gets really wild with this boat. Runs on the rocks really quick. Handles this small creek pretty good. Hole's really durable. .75% throttle. Creek's a little too small to run 100%. 75% is plenty of power. Oh! All right, now we got to do the self-righting. Back and forth like that.
It already flipped.
All right, it already came back up. All right, we're gonna see if it'll handle this jump right here. Land on this side of the creek here. He's gonna run it at 50% because it's so hard to do. All right, we did it without the jump. We knew that was gonna happen. Okay, 100% righting feature, got it right back up again. Can't leave anything alone. As kids, you always got to try to jump something. Here we go. Gonna try to jump one more time. Okay, he's got 50%. Here we go. No, not yet. He's only running 50% throttle. We're gonna hit this jump right here. Pretty hard to hold her straight. Nope, hit the rocks. Durable little boat. Here we go, he's gonna try it again. Nice! Right it up. The righting feet, oh, right it up again. Nice, righting feature works perfect. Hey, what do you think of this boat while you're driving it?
It's pretty cool.
It's a lot of fun, isn't it?
Yes, it is.